In this video, let us look at how to find the equations of inclined lines. We have already seen how to find the equations of lines parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. They are very simple. Now if you have an inclined line, so how do we find the equation of this line? So again we have seen that equation is nothing but an algebraic condition which each and every point on this line satisfies. So to find the equation of a line, first you need to ask what this line is. So you need to understand how to specify a line. So once I specify this line, once we all understand what this line does, then we can think about forming the equation of this line. So to specify a line, we need two pieces of independent information. So to specify a line, you need two pieces of independent information. For example, if I want to say what this line is, first let us specify 2 points through which the line passes. I'll say that the line passes through the point A 1, 2 and a point B 5, 5. So if I say that I'm talking about a line which passes through 1, 1 and 5, 5, I hope all of us can agree on what the line is. Because if you take a graph paper, if all of us take a graph paper and plot this line, all of us will plot the same line. Because 1, 2 is same for all of us, 5, 5 is same for all of us, and there is only one line which passes through these 2 points. There is only one straight line which passes through these 2 points. So this is called specification of a line. So we can specify a line by giving 2 points on the line. Or else we can specify a line using an angle and a point. I say that the line makes 45 degrees with x-axis and passes through 1, 2. I don't need the second point. By specifying the direction, by telling that the line makes an angle of 45 degrees with x-axis, I have specified the direction. That means now the line can move only parallelly. And at one instant, it will pass through the point 1, 2. That is the position of the line that I am talking about. In this way, there are different ways in which we can specify a line, specify the position of a line. So mostly, in whichever form, whatever information you get, you have to look for 2 independent pieces of information. They can be either 2 points, an angle and a point, or any 2 independent informations by which the line can be specified. So there are 6 standard types of equations depending on the type of informations that are given. So the forms are: first, point slope form of a line, 2-point form of a line, point slope form, 2-point form, slope intercept form, normal form, and distance form of a line. So these are 6 standard forms of equations of lines which depend on the type of information that are given. So let us look at each form separately and see which type of informations are required for each form of the line.